Hello, friends. Paul told us God doesn't boast. He's not proud, and he never dishonors others. This may come as a surprise to anyone who has read the Old Testament book of Nahum. You see, Nahum 1:2 describes God as jealous, vengeful, wrathful, and venting his wrath on his enemies. Both of these viewpoints come from the scriptures. So what are we to do with the dozens of contradictory passages such as these two? Do we embrace the face value of both views and chalk up the puzzle to some divine mystery? We know Jesus didn't find the Father to be mysterious. He portrayed him repeatedly to be a knowable person just like any earthly dad. Yet Jesus also resisted the pull to throw out one of these statements as if it was not part of the God-breathed written revelation. He said the scripture cannot be broken. So how do we make sense of such riddles that we find in our Bibles? The answer is far more than I can state in this next 60 seconds. But on Friday, April 7th, Good Friday, you can find the answers in this book, The Box You Can Put God In. Godspeed, my friends. Have you ever wondered what God is like? At times, he's been depicted as a malicious and overbearing dictator, and other times as an uninvolved and impersonal force. Some say we can't put God in a box. He's too mysterious, too unpredictable. Sometimes it seems that the Bible has already placed God in the box of mystery and unpredictability. But if we connect all the dots the Bible presents, we actually can find the box that God fits into. And we might be very surprised when we clearly see the God who fits into that box.